Hi everyone, in this video, I will be introducing you to the library module on Stendard solution. To start off, this top section is where you upload files from your computer to the library. Once there are files here, the filter button is an easy way to sort and identify your files. Alternatively, another way of bringing files in is to use the sync function with Google Drive and import your files to the library. The bin button will bring you to the trash bin, where you restore or permanently delete your deleted files. You can upload files or zipped folders by dragging them in, or using the upload button in the top section. Next, select your required visibility setting. I will choose one of the defaults, all company staff. Once the uploading is completed, you will be able to see the file appearing within the library. The navigation system is similar to your desktop. To open a folder, double-click on it. If you do a single click twice on a file, the information bar on the right-hand side would open up. Here, you can see the folder's information or documents information. To download a file, right-click and click Download. If your file has been published before, you can download the original, published PDF version, or both. To delete a draft file or folder, click the bin icon. To view your document, select the Preview button instead. This opens the document in a new tab. As you can see, the full information of the document is shown on the right. To optimize your view, you can toggle the button on the right to show or hide the document information pane. For now, let's keep the information pane showing. To do so, let's click on the arrow icon on the right. Within the document preview page, you can download the file into your computer, or choose to edit it online if given the file permission. Finally, to open the file location in the library, you can navigate to the relevant folder in the top bar. Back in the library, you can sort your file views by clicking the arrows next to the column names. If you need to search for certain files, use the search bar at the top of the filter button. Alternatively, you can filter your documents by file status to only show published files or any other attributes as shown. You can then export the list of documents as a PDF or CSV record by clicking the Export button. There are several ways we can modify a file. To rename a document, select the document twice, then click on the pencil icon. This will trigger the right sidebar, where you can rename the file accordingly. To move a single document to another directory, right-click on a document, then click Move, which will trigger a pop-up box where you can choose the destination directory of the file. Click on Move Files after selecting the new directory to finalize the changes. When you have multiple files you wish to move at once, press Shift on your keyboard, followed by left-clicking on the files you wish to move. Immediately after, right-click the selected file and click Move. The sequence from this point on is the same as moving a single file. To limit a file's visibility and permission, right-click on a document, then select Change Visibility. Immediately after, a pop-up box will appear with the various settings. To allow a new user to view a specific file, click on the Add User by Type drop-down list and choose a method respectively. Over here, you can share files and folders with public users like external vendors by adding their email, and they will get an email to access the files and folders. You can also author a user's various permissions on that file by checking and unchecking these boxes. You can click on the button in red if you want to remove the user's access to that file. To view the document information of a single document, right-click, then click Document Information, which will trigger a right sidebar where the document information will be shown to you. Now, right-click on a specific document to trigger a drop-down list again. Then click on the Download button to download a particular document. In a scenario where users have multiple files requiring editing, you can batch edit the files using the following method. Press and hold Shift on the keyboard. Left-click to select all the files to be edited. Right-click and select Batch Editing. This opens up the Batch Editing pop-up box. From here, you can check on the list of selected files and make the respective changes like its visibility, file category, author, department, review frequency, and many more. Once you have done the appropriate changes, remember to click on Save Changes to finalize the actions. When the document is still on draft status, you can update the document's name and number and assign what type of document it is, such as a procedure or record. This can be done by clicking the pencil icon that appears when hovering over each row. When prompted to choose a document number format, here are the various options that users can pick. First, the user can manually input the document number format for the particular file. Second, users can select a pre-existing template already created on the document settings. However, suppose a pre-existing template is chosen. In that case, the latest number used for that particular format will be shown as a reference to prevent a duplication of the document number. By default, the user who uploaded the file is assigned as the author. However, you can change this as well. Other details such as file visibility, department, storage period, review frequency, and categories can also be updated. If you want to publish your draft files, click the Start Version Control button. With that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope that this has helped you understand how to use our library module within Stendard solution. Thank you for watching.